KODAK Mini Digital Film and Slide Scanner, converts 35mm, 126, 110, Super 8 and 8mm film. Rybozen Ultrathin Portable Slide Scanner 5x 4 inches LED light panel, photo slides negatives and film viewer, USB powered. Ideal light source color temperature, 5000K plus or minus 200K. It can restore the color to 98% of the original. The LED light source and light diffusing acrylic panel offer even distribution of light across the whole viewing area with no hot spots or dim points. DIGITNOW 35mm slide and film viewer, 3x magnification, battery operation, LED lighted illuminated viewing, for 35mm slides and positive film negatives, for AA batteries included. Reproduce old memories to life. Personal slide viewer provides a glimpse into the past by enlarging and lighting 35mm slides and positive film negatives for all to enjoy. LED lighted illuminated 35mm slide viewer, 2 AA batteries included. For 35mm slides. Glass lens, premium quality genuine glass lens. 2x magnification, view every detail of slides and films without distortion and blurriness. Rybozen mobile film and slide scanner, lets you scan and play with old 35